Jeff Van Ren, Senior Manager of Talent Relations and Global Communications, all the way from London to make a special announcement. So please give it up for Mr. Jeff Van Ren.
Thank you, Ayushman and Apar Shakti, for that amazing introduction. The relationship between Madame Tussauds and IFA has been one that we've cherished for nearly 2 decades. It's been a joy to create figures of some of Indian cinema's brightest stars and welcome them in many of our 23 locations worldwide. It's an incredibly important partnership to us and one that we wish to continue for many years to come. So tonight, I'm very excited to be here, 20 years down the track, to present the award to a man following in Amitabh's footsteps. I was very fortunate enough to help create 2 figures of his wonderful wife, one for London and the soon-to-be unveiled figure in Madame Tussauds Delhi last year. And it's my honor to be here today to present this award to Mr. Ranveer Singh.
What a proud moment, man. क्या बात है?
क्योंकि अपना टाइम आएगा, तू नंगा ही तो आया है, क्या घंटा लेकर जाएगा?
Wow, you are. Wow. I'm damn excited. Wife के सामने अब मेरा पुतला खड़े रहेगा. Wow. I'll just stand next to you quietly like an accessory, baby. I remember as a kid, I used to be an encyclopedia geek. And they used to talk about this mythical place called Madame Tussauds in the encyclopedias. And then I was going through my mom's early pictures, and I was like, Mom, when did you get a picture with the Queen? She's like, that's in Madame Tussauds, London. So I was like, wow, when you go to Madame Tussauds, you get to see all this cool stuff. So it's always been, since childhood, a very, very mythical place for me. So to have a wax statue to be immortalized in wax is truly a very, very proud thing for me. When I go to London में मेरा पुतला है यार, amazing यार, क्या बोलूं. And that too next to my wife, you know, when the launch was happening, it was a very, very proud moment for our entire family. My mother-in-law was like, come on, now you have to work hard. We want a statue of you also. Mama, we're going to London. Let me just add that my wife's putla is the sexiest of all. Yeah, okay, I'm partial, but it's cool. But baby, you and Morgan Freeman had the best wax statues. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out my pose, figure out my dress. It's gonna be you and me, baby. Husband, wife, Madame Tussauds, London. Boom, baby. Proud Indian. Thank you. Thank you, Madame Tussauds. Thank you, Aifa. And thank you, Mumbai, Meri Jaan. I love you. Good night.
What a proud moment, Ranveer Singh, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Ranveer Singh, guys. Role, male, and the nominees are
गुस्से में लिया हुआ डिसीजन हमेशा नुकसान पहुंचाता है.
Anil Kapoor
And now I'm getting angry.
for Race 3,
Very angry.
Jim Sar for Padmavat,
आपके पैगाम को ठुकरा दिया है.
Manoj Pahwa for Mulk,
म्यूजिक
Pankaj Tripathi
फर्स्ट टाइम देखा तुझे लब हो गया,
for Stree,
सेकंड टाइम में सब हो गया.
टाइगर है तू टाइगर.
Vicky Kaushal for Sanju.
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage the beautiful Alia Bhatt and Sudhanshu Watts, Group CEO, Managing Director, Viacom.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Mumbai. How's the Josh, Mumbai?
Good evening, everyone. The Nexa IFA Award for performance in a supporting role male goes to the one and only Vicky Kaushal for Sanju.
responsible for me standing here is Rajkumar Irani. I want to thank him from the bottom of my heart for believing in me. Abhijat Joshi, जिन्होंने वो खूबसूरत लाइनें लिखी और he's the soul of the film. Ranbir Kapoor, for being the most fabulous co-actor, for being the most amazing human being that he is. Thank you so much, Ranbir. For each and every cast and crew member of Sanju for making it so special for me. Thank you, Aifa. Thank you, Wizcraft. This stage is very special to me since 2016 when I won the Best Debut Award. And as a kid also, there's never been a year that I've missed IIFA, watching it on my TV set. And today, to be standing here, performing on this stage, receiving an IIFA award just means the world to me. Thank you so much. This goes to my source of inspiration, my dad, my mom. आज सॉरी मैं ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ मैं
अरे यार कमाल है
ये मेरे लिए और भी स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज when I was leaving home to come here आज my dad told me you know this is the first time मैं इसीलिए नहीं आऊँगा my dad is an action director in films and he said कि मैं इसलिए नहीं आ रहा because मैं nominated हूँ मैं इसीलिए आ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा बेटा nominated है और उसके देखने में आ रहा हूँ so ये मेरे लिए बहुत special है thank you and goes out to my brother Sunny and to everyone out here who supported me, supported my work, my films. I am because of you. I am here for you, and I will keep serving you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
भाई तू घपा घप अवार्ड लेते जा और कमली के नाम से मैं भी जानता हूँ कमली हो गई तेरे बिना आजा
Hi, hi.
Thank you, my bro.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
A big hand for Vicky Kaushal, ladies and gentlemen. राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार विजेता शुक्रिया. The Nexa IIFA Award for Outstanding Performance in a Supporting Role, Female. And the nominees are...
Aditi Rao Hydari for Padmavat.
पद्मावती किसी की बेगम है.
Neena Gupta for Mulk.
राजी, लाश पड़ी हुई थी बिलाल की कोई आया क्या?
Radhika Apte for Andhadhun.
कुछ चीजें अधूरी होने की वजह से ही तो पूरी होती है.
Surekha Sikri for Padhai Ho. Swara Bhaskar for Veere Di Wedding.
तेरी राजमा चावल कौन बनाएगा रोज NRI?
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage S.K. Jain, Managing Director, and Yogesh Jain, Managing Director of Whoosh Washing Expert and Jim Saab.
IIFA Award for Performance in a Supporting Role Female goes to Aditi Rao Hydari, Padmavat.
Thank you so much, IIFA. This is my first IIFA. And it means the world to me because I've got it for a gem of a part, a very, very special part. I think because Mehrunisa was so beautiful inside out, and I hope a lot of her rubbed off onto me. I really felt special feeling like her every day that I was on set. I also had the most amazing co-stars. Deepika, Ranveer, Shahid. Thank you, Sanjay sir. It was a dream to work with you. Thank you so much. And of course, I cannot not thank my family for always giving me the space to dream and to fly. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, बूश